If you feel tired all the time, unfocused, and drained, this isn't because you're lazy. It's because your energy system is being quietly worn down. Most men were never taught how energy actually works. We're told to push harder, but no one explains why pushing feels harder every year. The problem is constant stimulation. Phones, booze, endless content, sugar, late nights. Your brain never gets a chance to reset. When your mind is overloaded, simple tasks feel heavy. You lose drive. And over time, confidence slowly fades. Here's the part most people miss. Motivation is not something you wait for. It's something you earn through structure. Men who feel strong don't rely on feeling good first. They move first, especially when they don't feel like it. One simple change makes a real difference. Start your day without your phone for the first 30 minutes. Use that time for one purposeful task. Walking, writing, planning, physical work. Nothing dramatic, just intentional effort. This sends a signal to your brain that you are in control. When you repeat this daily, energy returns. Focus improves. And self-respect comes back with it. You don't need motivation. You need structure.